Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brooke. I am the wife to John and mom to 5 kiddos. We live in a little house on 5 acres, and come along with us as a simple day in the life of a stay-at-home mom that homeschools her kids. So we start our homeschool day with read alouds, and then we break up and they do their own subjects, and I do school with Moses and then help the older kids with anything that they need help with. But today we're starting with the Saturdays Melindy book. This is a vintage landmark. These are really cool. This is about Robert Fulton and the steamboat, and we've been revisiting this here or there, and our American history.
Oh, can nobody take those?
Our bruised and broken country. America had a lot of challenges to face at the end of the war, reintegrating the southern states into the Union. So for lunch, I made the kids macaroni and cheese. They still have some dairy during Lent, not all the time, but sometimes. And I also just mixed up some bread because tomorrow we're going to be gone for part of the day, so we're going to need to have sandwiches or something to snack on. So that pink table right there, we call it the TV table. That's what used to be right here, but we got this cube shelf and baskets just because we needed more storage for the toys and Legos, Magna blocks, some kids books that we read pretty often, and our blankets used to be on the TV table, but now I keep them in the coffee table, which is an old trunk, and I just think visually it like feels more calming, and that's what I'm trying to do, because when you live in a smaller space with several people, things can just feel chaotic or restless when you have a lot of clutter and things. And we have 5 kids, so everybody has stuff, which is fine, but I need to find a better way to manage it. I just want to feel more peaceful. And I think that'll be good for me and everybody. I think, if I can just be more organized, it will help everybody. It is the afternoon now, and I need to start thinking about dinner. I have a lot of leftover rice from Sunday evening, I think. And so I'm going to use that to make fried rice for dinner. We're going to have a couple other things to go with it. Moses, where are you going?
Outside. It's in my habit.
Let me see. You got a Hobbit book? This book has been lost for many
years.
Not years, but many, many months, and we found it today. So he is super excited.
At least maybe a year.
Yeah, I'd say at least a year, yeah.
I haven't seen it in a long time. At least 1 year.
Have fun, Moses.
I all own stuff. I have my Hobbit book, Meadow, and Cottage stuff. I have all my own stuff. Yeah. Like.
And sprinted into the small, narrow clearing he and Heather knew so well. He removed the broken limbs and brush that disguised the small cave-like opening.